Good day. I am Edward Magalong, and together with Maria Angelo Capultos from Bisabe 1-1, presenting the impact of major crops in Cordillera Administrative Region on national economy and food security. Philippine agriculture has recently been dominated by rice and corn. For the past 10 years, these crops have made up a big part of the country's agricultural earnings and take up more than 50% of all farmlands in the Philippines. The government also sees growing enough rice and corn as an important part of food security. In the north, the Cordillera Administrative Region or CAR is home to many indigenous communities. People here often struggle with poverty because the land is mountainous, far from major cities, and has poor roads. Even with these challenges, farming in CAR is important not just for local farmers, but for the whole community. Growing crops helps people earn money, create jobs, and support business like food processing and trade.
Hi, I'm Maria Angelo Gaholtas. The Cordillera Administrative Region serves as a key agricultural hub, contributing significantly to the national economy and food security. Understanding its agricultural output is essential for assessing its impact on economic stability, food availability, and sustainability. Agriculture remains a fundamental pillar of the Philippine economy. Examining Cordillera Administrative Region's major crops provide valuable insights into market trends, production challenges, and opportunities for agricultural development. Data-driven analysis highlights the role of Cordillera Administrative Region's agricultural sector in strengthening food security and economic resilience. Identifying key factors affecting productivity supports the development of effective policies for long-term sustainability.
The objectives of this study includes identify the primary crops grown in Cordillera Administrative Region considering regional variations and production trends in 2020 to 2024, assess the economic importance of major crops on the national economy, evaluate the influence of major crops on food availability, particularly in relations to the top 10 major crops in CAR. And lastly, evaluate their role in ensuring a stable food supply for the population from 2020 to 2024.
So for the materials and methods of our study, the first one is the study area. The study is in Cordillera Administrative Region, located in the northern part of the Philippines. Cordillera Administrative Region is consist of six provinces such as Abra, Apayao, Benguet, Ifugao, Kalinga, and Mountain Province. Next is the collection of data. The data were obtained from government agencies such as the Philippine Statistic Authority and the Department of Agriculture. Reports from 2020 to 2024 were reviewed to identify the major crops-based production, volume, land area, and economic significance. Additional information was sourced from some published research articles that is related to agriculture. Next is the selection of major crops. The top 10 major crops were determined based on production volume and its contribution to food availability in the province or the region. Provincial production variation were considered and trends in the last 5-year period were analyzed. So let's move on to the data analysis. Quantitative analysis was employed to evaluate production, economic impact, and food contributions of the identified top 10 crops. Next is the assessment of food contribution. The influence of major crops on food availability was analyzed by determining its role in agriculture sustainability. The study also considered climate and policy factors affecting crop production. Last is the limitation of the study. This study is limited to data sources and does not include primary surveys. The accuracy of findings depends on the reliability of the collected data from official and published source.
Results and discussion. In this section, examine the top 10 major crops in CAR, focusing on production levels and economic importance. Data is from the PSA and DACAR highlights the dominant crops, agricultural challenges, and areas for policy improvement.
As shown in the screen, which is the percentage of major crops in Cordillera Administrative Region from 2020 to 2024. According to the Philippine Statistic Authority data from 2020 to 2024 showed that cabbage and potato consistently rank as the most produced crops in Cordillera Administrative Region, significantly surpassing other crops. Cabbage production reached 110,000 metric tons in 2020, increasing to 115,000 in 2022. Potato production followed a similar trend, rising from 90,000 to 95,000 metric tons. Optimal climate, established farming practices, and strong market demand drive the dominance of these crops, particularly in Benguet, known as the salad bowl of the Philippines. Next one for the results and discussion is the economic impact of major crops on the national economy. The agricultural sector in the Cordillera Administrative Region serves as a key contributor to regional and national food security by supplying essential crops to various markets across the Philippines. Cabbage and potato production generates direct income for local farmers while supporting downstream industries, including food processing and distribution. High market demand for these crops ensures stable revenues, driving economic growth and job creation across multiple industries. Next is the influence of major crops on food availability. Agricultural production in Cordillera Administrative Region plays a vital role in ensuring food availability across the Philippines. Favorable high-altitude climate and fertile soil enable the cultivation of key crops essential to national food supply chains. Cabbage and potato remain widely consumed vegetables, meeting needs across the country. However, challenges such as post-harvest losses, inefficient distribution, and limited cold storage facilities affect availability and affordability. Enhancing post-harvest management and infrastructure strengthens food security, ensuring a stable supply of essential crops for consumers nationwide.
Lastly, car-stopped-in major crops contribute to stabilizing the national food supply by ensuring consistent production volume over the years. However, climatic variation and extreme weather events, such as typhoon and prolonged droughts, pose threats to the crop stability and productivity. The Philippine government has implemented initiatives aimed at supporting farmers and increasing crop yields, but challenges persist due to infrastructure weaknesses and the lack of region-specific agricultural policies.
So for the final part of our study is the conclusion. The Cordillera Administrative Region largely contributes to the Philippines' agricultural industry, particularly in the production of highland crops. From the year 2020 to 2024, cabbage and potatoes were the most popular and dominant crops due to its environmental conditions in this area. The lower production levels of other crops such as cassava, sugarcane, and bananas highlights the challenges associated with Cordillera Administrative Region's climate, soil condition, and economic viability. This study has highlighted the significant economic and food security contributions of the major crops in the Cordillera Administrative Region. Through data, insights, challenges, and opportunities in agricultural production have been identified, paving the way for sustainable solutions. Sincere appreciation is extended to everyone who contributed to this study, including institutions, experts, and stakeholders who provided valuable information and support from the internet. Gratitude is also expressed to the audience for their time, engagement, and interest in this discussion. May this study serve as a stepping stone toward further advancement in agriculture and economic sustainability. Once again, thank you for listening. This presentation was prepared by Maria Angelou and Gaholtas and Edward R. Magalong.